Hi there, I'm Al, and today I would like to show you the Evolution R300DCT, a 12-inch electric cutting disc cutter with supplied 12-inch general-purpose diamond blade. Evolution has taken their existing disc cutter model and redesigned from the ground up. The best just got better. Accurate. Its rigid yet sleek design has been optimized for user comfort in mind. Powerful. The 15-amp high-torque motor and gearbox provide a consistent power for effortless cutting. Reliable. The low maintenance and robust design ensures peak performance on the job site, no matter how large a project you're undertaking. Fitted with a powerful 15-amp motor, you can be sure this saw has the torque to cut even high-grade reinforced concrete with ease. When compared to gas saws, with an electric disc cutter, you don't need to contend with expensive gasoline or oil costs, worry about paying to maintain your tool, or endure the frustration of a broken pull cord, or struggle to get it going in cold weather. Protecting the blade is a robust blade guard here, which is completely single-handedly adjustable, allowing you to quickly adjust during the cut. For your dust collection, there's an integrated port here with a rubber cap. For vacuum extraction, lift the cap and attach your shop vac for easy removal of dust. For blade changes, it's really quick and easy. Simply take out the onboard tool storage, which you can find here. It's a multi-tool designed for all the adjustments you would need to make on the saw. This means time-consuming blade changes are a thing of the past. This is another feature I like. As you've just seen for yourself, the electronic blade brake stops the blade in action in a matter of seconds. This steel front handle with rubber overmold gives you full control during operation, ensuring it will cope in use on the toughest of job sites. Down here, as you can see, the saw comes fitted with a wheeled base, which assists you when performing those really long straight cuts down at ground level effortlessly. The skid plate protects the tool by keeping the blade away from the ground, so after you're finished with the cut, you can just put down the tool safely whilst the blade is still spinning. The R300DCT, when cutting at 90 degrees, can cut to a depth of 4.5 inches. That's more capacity than many leading gas saws. Don't forget, with the diamond blade, the cutting depth remains constant, unlike using abrasive discs, which reduce quickly and require regular blade changes, saving you both time and money on the job. Evolution Power Tools offer a selection of compatible blades for this machine. The supplied general-purpose diamond blade is really great for cutting all types of masonry, including reinforced lintels with rebar. Its quality diamond edge ensures it holds up cut after cut. A really good option for occasional site users and for landscapers. The premium cutting diamond blade looks like so. It's been hot pressured and tips consist of a high concentration of diamond, ensuring increased blade life. This blade is ideal for performing fast yet clean cuts on the toughest of concrete. It performs cuts at least 10% quicker than standard diamond blades. Here is the multi-material diamond blade. This one has a brazed layer construction, which allows for larger diamond particles and better heat dissipation. It can cut metal, masonry, wood, and much more. And much quicker and safer than using abrasive discs. It really is the best option for cutting your metal. This machine has a great cutting capacity and really is a tool geared towards you landscapers, handymen, and of course, DIYers. Why take out a gas saw rental? You have an affordable alternative which comes ready to use out of the box without all the high maintenance costs you'll incur with gas saws. That's not all. Evolution Power Tools also offer a best-in-class 3-year warranty with this saw. You'll receive 5-star customer service should you require any support. And there you have it, the Evolution R300DCT, a 12-inch electric-powered disc cutter with a powerful 15-amp high-torque motor and gearbox. An ideal tool for cutting all your concrete and metals, either on site and also for domestic use. Well, that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Until next time.